Welcome to the EDGE New User Series, Administrative Functions. As we saw in the EDGE New User Introduction, there are a few areas you should visit and set up within the EDGE. In this video, we will give you an overview of the most important of these functions. See the EDGE User Guide for detailed instructions and other administrative functions. Associate Setup. All employees who work in the EDGE must have an Associate ID. Associate IDs must be unique and cannot be reused or deleted. However, they can be marked inactive. To enter associates and set up permissions, go to Administrative, Associates, and create a record for each associate with an ID and password. Complete the contact information. Go to the Commission tab to specify commissions. Notice that you can set commissions based on the percentage of the retail sales price or the profit made. If you want commissions to show on a commissions report, you must enter a commission, even if it is 0. Go to the Security tab to specify security permissions for the associate. If you check an option, the associate will be permitted to perform that function. If you're not sure, uncheck the permission. You can copy these settings from other associates with similar duties. Sales tax setup. Sales tax is figured based on your settings in the sales tax area. It can be removed at POS, but these settings should take care of almost all of your sales. To set up a new tax, go to Administrative, Sales Tax, Tax Definitions. Select Add. Enter an ID and complete the fields. Enter your tax rate as a %. Set where to round up. We'll use ½ cent. Use options to further define how the tax applies. Qualifying sales. You can specify taxes that apply based on item prices or sales totals. Exemptions. You can exempt portions of a sale. This might be used for supplemental tax on items that have a base tax on the whole amount. Dates. You can specify taxes that are only applicable for a certain time frame. Qualifying customers. You can specify taxes that only apply to certain customers, for example walk-ins versus those shipped to. In the Categories tab, check the categories that this tax applies to. Most stores will select all. In the Stores tab, select stores that should collect this tax. In the Other tab, check services that are taxable. For questions about taxes in your state or states, contact your accountant. Repair SKU Setup. In the EDGE, you can use repair SKUs to quickly price frequently used repair tasks. You can create your own or import a Geller table. Credit card setup. Your credit card processor will work with us to help you set up your credit card system. When you do, you will be directed to Administrative Credit Cards as part of the process. System Options Setup. To provide you with more control over how features work, the EDGE offers many system options. They are set to defaults at installation, but as part of setup, you should go through each of these and make changes as you see fit. Notice that options are grouped into sections applying to different areas of the EDGE and that a description of each option is at the bottom of the screen. Category and Tag Setup. Item categories are key to good organization of your data. The EDGE comes loaded with a default category structure. We recommend you keep and use it. When you work with categories, in the Pricing tab you can set markup and markdown defaults. These settings will impact performance reporting and inventory buying tools. See the videos from the New User series entitled The EDGE Philosophy and Category Setup to learn more about the importance of this pricing area. Set up tag formats as described in the EDGE User Guide and the 2 tag format videos found in edgeuser.com. Other administrative functions. The YN field at POS helps you track promotions and marketing by prompting you to ask customers what brought them into the store. To define values to be shown at POS, go to Administrative Promotions/YN. You can enter a short event title and a media description, and a longer event description, which is what will show at POS. The dates will control when the event will appear in the YN field. Miscellaneous sale lines for use at POS should be set up. Go to Administrative, Miss Sale Lines. Use these sparingly. The Edge offers a number of transaction types such as repairs, custom jobs, layaways, donations, giveaways, and more that will not need a listing on the Miss Sale menu. Other features that should be set up in the Edge include rewards and referrals, email and text messaging, display locations, and sale signage. See the Edge User Guide for more information. An entire library of reference materials is available at edgeuser.com. Register for a login ID and you'll have access to tip sheets, videos, and data downloads. Learn more about these features by attending the Edge Advanced Training. The calendar is at www.theedgeforjewelers.com/calendar and on the Edge newsfeed. Thank you for viewing the new user series Administrative Functions video tutorial. We hope this information was useful. Feel free to contact us at support@ajsllc.com.